Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a few things Makartt has to offer for the fall and Halloween season. So we have this 6-piece gel polish set, really great colors for fall and Halloween. We have these duets, really nice colors, again, for fall and Halloween. They have the polygel, the pumpkin orange, the black, and the red. Now the pumpkin orange is not available at the moment, but I'm sure it will be later. You have these nail sequins that are really cool. They have spiders, pumpkins, ghosts, bats, you name it, everything that you could want for Halloween. Then they have these adorable stickers. Now they do have, I think it's a 6-pack. Right here I show you 3 of those, and we are going to use the ghosts in today's video. They also have these really adorable decor, like 3D decor. Now I couldn't find those on the website, guys, so I'm not sure if they're going to be adding those soon or what the deal is on those. They may have only came in the Nail Lab box. I could be wrong. They could be putting them on the website any day, so just stay tuned. So I'm going to go in with my nail pump-ups. These are the clear Coffin XXL. And then these are the XXL full stilettos. You're going to make sure you measure them, make sure it goes from one side wall to the other. You're going to prime these tips because they are not primed, so I'm using a primer. I do go in with my peel off base, which is my foil glue, and then apply the nails to my natural nail plate as you see here. From cuticle to free edge, you'll see that gel go up. Once it gets to your free edge, go ahead and do a cure. Now, the main focal point of today's video is the nail design. That's why I do not show my entire application. But once you are done applying these nails, you're going to want to buff off that surface shine. You're going to want to file the nails. Then you're going to go in with a base coat. You're going to apply that from cuticle to free edge. Once the base coat is applied, go ahead and give that a full 60-second cure. Then I'm going to go in with the white gel polish, and I'm going to cover the entire nail with the white. And I'm going to do this with all 5 nails. Now it's time to have some fun. I'm using Enail Couture's Blooming Gel. This is the Fun Gel 001 on his website if you guys are interested. I'm going to take the black and a dotting tool, or you can use a brush. I think I use a brush. And I actually make these dots fairly big. So I'm using a lot of gel polish. And I just start applying the dots to the nail. It's super easy. It starts to spread immediately. Then I take that same brush and I just pull the black polish like you're making like spider web or like feathering it out, whatever you want to call it. This is just something fun that I wanted to try for this spooky Halloween look. So again, you're going to go over all your nails with your blooming gel. Then you're going to take your color and start applying that over the blooming gel. And as it spreads, it'll start making a really cool design. It's so much fun. And then I use the white as well. And that just helps add to the spooky look. Gives it a little more character. So if you guys see anything on this video today that you like by Makartt, it can be Makartt US, Makartt Europe, Makartt Australia, anywhere, anywhere in the world. I do have links in my description for those countries and a discount code. You can save 15% off, and many of their items are already on sale, so you will get an additional 15% off using my code. So definitely go and take advantage of that before the sale ends. Also, guys, as you saw me do right there, I pulled off any of the excess polish, and you may have to do that. That way, when you cure it, it's not like a big blob on top of your nail. So you guys have to stay tuned because I am doing a collaboration really soon with Tia Bella Beauty again. You guys let me know what you think of our collabs down in the comment section. This will be a Makartt spooky nail design. So if you guys have anything in mind, let me know in the comment section. Or if you have anything that you would like to see me do, please comment them down below. Now I'm going to go in with my Makartt matte top coat and give them a nice matte look. Now, I thought this design looked way better matte. Let me know what you guys think. So here they are with the nice matte top coat. And I gotta tell you, the Makartt matte is really nice. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with these cute stickers. I use the black ghosts, the white ghosts, and I think I use the little guy from Scream. He's on there also. And then I use a couple of the stickers that say Boo. There's the little guy. He's so cute. And then here's one of the little Boo stickers. And then I go over that with a coat of matte top coat as well, just to seal the stickers in. Then I'm going to take my Makartt rhinestone glue and I'm going to apply some of the decor. These are Jack the Skeleton. I do a white one and a black one just to kind of tie it in with the look. Add some Makartt cuticle oil. And that is it, you guys. That is my spooky Halloween ghostly Makartt set. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for coming. I hope you all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Go get you some of this Makartt stuff. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.